together with the circuit management and the advisory to say, let us joint visit schools. I think these team visits that we are doing, they assist us to understand the setup of the school, to say everything and anything that is happening in the school impact to the curriculum. So there should be integration. Of course, the facilitation of the professional development and professional learning communities that we have discussed. I'm not going to dwell much on this one. But what is important is that there is nothing that we are going to kill. We need, if the professional, the PLCs, they need to continue. But if there is sort of uncomfortability when we need to understand what is going on, let us revert and say we push these things parallel to each other because they are not actually enemies to each other. So, colleagues, we spoke a lot about curriculum 2000. Curriculum number 1 of 2024, sorry, and what it seeks to achieve. Because there we are saying we want accountability to start at the level of the learner. Learners must be able to account for their performance at the level of the foundation phase. That's where now we will be able to involve even the parents to say, so and so is doing like this. How can you assist at the level of home? And we move from the learner to the subject. We move from the subject to the departmental head, to the deputy principal. Everybody in the system need to account for curriculum implementation. And when we do that, colleagues, we need to have evidence-based control system. That's why we've got these templates that we have put to say, for us to say this is a subject improvement plan, the person must be able to prove that I've done this assessment. Based on the assessment, this is the analysis, these are the learners, based on the learners, then the plan. So we are going at that flow. If it started at the level of the subject, it means we won't have any problem. So, colleagues, in closing, I'm saying, let us ensure that from now onwards, we don't go back. We support the province. I said yesterday, when we say there are curriculum people in the province, there is nobody except us. So ours is not to explain the problem that is there, but is to come up with solutions to say, how are we going to ensure with what we have? You can't say we must employ subject advisors. We can't say this and this must happen. With what we have, what strategies can we use that are going to work for the system so that as KZN, we keep on keeping on and we keep our position. That's important. Thank you.